This is Thomas Hardy from the Layman's Guidepost, and if you are a preacher, a Sunday school teacher, a pastor, bishop, Bible study leader, a small group study leader, a new preacher that's about to preach their initial sermon, a veteran preacher who's been preaching for years and you want to sharpen up on your skills, I have great news for you. You can boost your preaching and teaching today with this special offer of the Layman's Guide to Biblical Preaching, a 7-step plan by Thomas Hardy. The method espoused in this book is simple, clear, and easy to understand. Not only that, this book is affordable, it's effective, and it's efficient in teaching you biblical homiletics. It's 100% biblical, guaranteed. Only 123 pages written in clear and simple language, walking you through step by step on how to prepare biblical sermons. Be it topical or textual, this book will help you to learn faster, it'll help you to learn homiletics in a more immediate way, and it will provide an instant boost to your ministry. No more heavy homiletics books, no more complicated theological terminology, no more expensive seminary fees, no more complicated homiletics classes. The Layman's Guide to Biblical Preaching is the how-to manual for both textual and topical sermons. This tool will teach you how to study the Bible, how to analyze a biblical text, how to cycle through main points, how to recognize textual theme, how to design your sermon step by step, how to use stories and illustrations to be able to make your points clearer, how to design your introduction and your conclusion, and much, much more. And pastors and bishops, listen up. This training tool is for elders and teachers. You can use it to be able to train your pastoral staff to be able to teach and preach more clearly. It's also great for initial sermon preparation. It's really good for ministerial certifications and licensures. It works as a syllabus for seminars and in Bible college homiletics courses. It's great for exegetical studies and many, many more uses. Improve your preaching and teaching. Make your teaching even clearer. Increase the power and the effectiveness of your delivery by ordering now for $29.95, the Layman's Guide to Biblical Preaching, a 7-step plan. Brought to you by your friends at the Layman's Guidepost. We'll see you at the post. Boost your ministry. Order now, thelaymansguidepost.com. That's thelaymansguidepost.com, thelaymansguidepost.com.